Hey guys, how's it going? Happy Sunday. Yep, it's Sunday here, August 5th, 2018. I'm just doing a little editing. Beep, 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 beep. Just got a little snack. Looks really weird, but tastes really good. It's one of Nick's creations. We've got like a sweet potato beetroot mash and some stir-fried veggies and cashews. Yummy, yummy. Haven't really been doing much this past week. I've just been going through some of my old footage, videos and stuff, and I realized there's a few things that I've just never shown you. So that's what you're gonna see today. First up, we have a little trip to California. This will just be a little precursor of what you might see in my future vlogs when I'm back in California next week. But yeah, this is when Nick and I were there in February, so it's just a little compilation of some things that we did, enjoying that California sunshine and all of that.
So how does it feel to be on the right hand side of the road again, Mary?
Feels like normal. Natural, the natural way.
Where are we?
Bald Hill is what we're at Bald Hill for sunrise, which I've never been before, but I've been here many times, so pretty cool. That was some good little California lovin'. Next up, we've got a trip to Wellington. Wellington and San Francisco, actually, not too dissimilar. This was just about a month ago, and I was gonna make a whole vlog out of it, but then I didn't film enough stuff to like really make it a video. Anyway, it was a good time. Nick was up there for work, and then his brother lives there. Yeah, we were hanging out with Nick and Nick's brother, Vince, and his girlfriend, Kate. And they showed us around some cool spots. The weather was pretty rubbish that weekend. It was kind of just pouring rain the whole time. So we did a lot of indoor activities and also drove out to where it wasn't super rainy.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's now time to prepare the cabin for landing. Please return to your seat, ensure your seat back is upright, your tray table is folded away.
Yeah, I wish Bob Marley would still be alive and see me try. Yeah. I am touching the stuff that makes me schizophrenic, but anyway.
Welcome to windy Wellington.
The idea's kind of the same, I want you guys to get along.
Greytown, voted the most beautiful town in New Zealand. Typical.
Touching the stuff makes me schizophrenic, but anyway.
Wine tasting. Good cultured.
It's kind of the same, I want you guys to get along.
Great shot. Classy. Oh, pinky up. That's a good one.
Yeah, I wish Bob Marley would still be alive to see me try.
We'll stop off in Martinborough. Ooh, wine. How many are you gonna have?
As much as I want, because I'm not driving.
Yeah, neither of us are driving.
Creamy, easy to drink, perfect for a summer day. Imagine.
Yeah, imagine.
Spicy, very nice, easy to do.
How you doing, mate? Who's winning?
First time ever. Yeah, that was a fun little weekend. Wellington's a pretty cool city, a lot going on, and it was cool to see those vineyards. I've never really been to the outskirts of Wellington before. So yeah, a lot to do out there. Well, I hope you enjoyed those little snippets of that forgotten footage. Yeah, so coming up this week on Friday, I go to the US. Yeah, that's happening. I don't know how long I'm gonna be there yet. I'm very bad at planning things super far in advance. Oh, I've planned a little sibling trip with my brother and sister. That should be fun. And I have a friend who wants to do some road tripping. So I don't know where we're gonna go, but I'm excited. I definitely am gonna be in San Francisco and LA. Well, probably LA, I don't know. Maybe some more places in the US, and I want to do some meetups, so I'll probably put them on my Facebook page because it's easiest to organize events on there, but maybe I'll put them up on my Instagram as well because I think more of you guys follow me on Instagram. If you aren't following me on Instagram, it's a good way to see what I'm up to because I post more often there than I do on YouTube at the moment. I hope you've all had a wonderful weekend. I can't believe it's August. What? Anyway. Bye, see you next time.